How far my people? Hope una dey do well. No vex say my voice dey somehow today. Akata wan kill me, but no worry. E no fit stop me say make I no do video for una. As I go tell una 5 things wey you suppose dey do for crypto space and 5 things wey you no suppose dey do for this crypto space. But before we go into the video, if you be new person for this channel, I wan welcome you to CryptoPidgin channel, the channel wey go dey talk about crypto in pidgin English. So if you never subscribe, try subscribe so that they go notify you anytime wey we drop video for this channel. And don't forget to join our Telegram community for better update. So for this video, we go talk about wetin you suppose dey do and wetin you no suppose dey do for crypto space, as we wan make you dey dodge some kind mistake wey other crypto trader don do before for their crypto journey, whether na the time of bull market or na the time of bear market. We just wan make you dey dodge all those mistakes, make you know wetin you suppose dey do and wetin you no suppose dey do. So we go first start from wetin you suppose dey do for crypto space. 5 things wey you suppose dey do for crypto space. Number 1, dey use trusted crypto exchange. Crypto exchange dey like bank, and bank na where we dey put our money, but for crypto space na crypto exchange we dey put our cryptocurrency coin or token wey we get. Na there we dey buy, na there we dey sell, and na also there we dey do all transaction wey we dey do for crypto space. So if you dey use crypto exchange wey no dey secure or trusted, na matter of time before your money go. So for this channel, I don do video wey I talk about crypto exchange wey you fit dey use based on how they trust them and based on how they take dey secure. So if you never watch am, I go drop the video link for this video description and for the comment section too. So just try to check am out. Number 2, make you dey use 2-factor authentication. Try to dey use 2-factor authentication app to take dey secure your account, so that e go dey hard for bad people to hack, and e go dey very secure too. I go recommend Google Authenticator app for you wey you fit find for Google Play Store, because as we know say money dey involved, anybody wey know your password go fit take and wipe all your crypto coin for your crypto account. But if you put 2-factor authentication for your account, even if person know your password, they no go fit access your account without the 2-factor authentication app. So na why e dey very important make you dey use 2-factor authentication for your crypto wallet or your crypto exchange. Number 3, dey follow who know road for crypto space. As we know say for this life, information na power, and crypto dey all about information, and na who get the information first go first enjoy am before e cast. The truth be say only you no fit do one man mapo for crypto space. You need people wey get information wey fit help you, so that you go know the latest things wey dey sup for crypto space. Now one of the reasons wey you need to join our Telegram community be that, so that you go dey enjoy the first class information wey we dey drop for that place. So I go drop the link for the comment section where you go fit join. Number 4, invest money wey you fit lose. Crypto no be get rich quick scheme wey you go start today and become millionaire tomorrow. And again, crypto no be your papa property, no be your village people get am. So e sure say sometimes you go lose money. Na why I dey always dey talk am say make you no invest money wey you no fit lose, so that sapa no go turn your best friend. And again, I take God beg you, no go borrow money, no go collect loan say you wan use am take dey do crypto. To lose dey very easy, and e dey very sure. Even people wey sabi am, even people wey be professional, even people wey be expert, dey lose sometime. Who come be you wey just dey start, or who come be you wey no fit lose? Number 5, no invest all your money for one project. I dey try tell you say no go use all your money wey you get, all your capital wey you get, take invest for one project. So try to dey divide your money or your capital, take dey buy different project, so that if one no work, the other ones go work. Na why oyinbo people talk say make you no go put all your egg for one basket. And again, try dey get trading plan wey go dey tell you why you go invest for project and why you no go invest for project, based on the research wey you don do for the trading plan. E dey very important too. So na all the 5 things wey you suppose dey do for crypto space be that. If you have anyone wey we no mention, try comment for the comment section, and no forget to like, no forget to share, no forget to subscribe, as we go dey talk about wetin you no suppose dey do for crypto space. 5 things wey you no suppose dey do for crypto space. Number 1, no invest for any project wey you no do research on top. I take God beg you, I take God beg you, I take God beg you. No invest for project. No go buy any coin wey you no do research on top. Even if na person tell you say make you go buy am, try do your own research before you buy any coin or invest in any crypto project. As e be say na the number one rules wey you need to know or wey you need to remember be that, because na also the easiest way wey you fit take lose money if you go invest for wrong project. So do your research very well before you go buy any coin. But if you no get time to dey do research, you fit pay to join our VIP signal group where we go dey do the research dey give you. And also dey give you crypto signal, dey tell you which coin to buy, when to buy and when to sell. E no cost as e dey very affordable. Comment for the comment section if you want to join, I go reply you. Number 2, no share your password or private key. Shey all of us know say you no fit just give person your ATM card plus the pin wey be say your money no go dey at risk. So for crypto space na the same thing. Your password and private key na the access to your account be that, and once person get access to am, your own don finish be that, or na your case. So no give anybody your password, no give anybody your private key wey you no trust the person, or the person no be your own person. Even at that sef, the person wey dey call your person fit do you bad thing. Number 3, no dey click on every crypto link wey you see. Scammers plenty for crypto space, and they wan dey use all means take dey scam people for this crypto space. So no go fall victim by clicking on every link wey you see because say e concern crypto. If no be person wey you trust give you the link, no click am. Even at that, try to dey very careful. And again, any link wey go ask you for your password, wey go ask you for your private key, na scam. Run for your life. Number 4, no go fall for hype and fake signal. For social media like Facebook, Twitter and especially Telegram, where people go dey message you or add you to group because of signal and tell you say make you pay to join the VIP. No fall for them. Plenty of them na scammer, as they go dey edit. Sometimes they go even do Photoshop edit for crypto chat, take deceive you say na the amount wey dem dey earn be that, or na the percentage wey their trade dey reach be that. Plenty time na lie, and most of them na lie. No go fall for their tricks. So make sure say you do your own research well before you pay anybody for signal, because for crypto space noise plenty very well. No go fall victim. No go fall victim. No go fall victim. Number 5, no go access your crypto wallet or your crypto account for free Wi-Fi. They fit steal your computer data or your phone data. They fit get access to your computer or your phone if you be person wey dey access internet for public Wi-Fi. All those public Wi-Fi wey you see, most of them dey, how I fit explain am to you now, most of them they fit trace the network wey you connect to, take get access to your computer, take get access to everything wey dey your computer. So by that now they fit get access to your account, access to your email, access to your social media account, access to your crypto wallet, access to your whole everything wey dey your computer. So for that, no dey use public Wi-Fi take dey access your crypto wallet, or take dey access your crypto account or crypto exchange. So no dey use Wi-Fi, take public Wi-Fi especially take dey access your crypto account. The bonus one wey I go talk, wey dey very important, no dey greedy. No dey greedy. This one na warning. No dey greedy for crypto space. You no fit make all the whole money for crypto space. E no dey possible. And crypto space no be something wey go die. If you tired, go rest. You go come back tomorrow come see am. If you make small money, take break, rest. Tomorrow you go make another one. Next tomorrow you go make another one. No talk say you wan make all the whole money wey dey crypto space today. If not, once greed enter your head, you fit lose all the whole money wey you think say you get. You fit lose your account be that. You fit lose all the whole capital wey you get for the crypto wallet, because greed no good. Even for normal life, greed no good. So no use greed take dey do crypto. And again, try to dey use risk management too. No put $10 think say you wan make $1,000, you wan make $10,000. E no dey happen like that. Life na step by step. Life na jejely dey take dey do am. Na small everywhere go dey okay. So no dey greedy, and try to dey apply risk management too. Na all we get for you be that. Try wise up and try dey safe. See you for my next video. No forget to subscribe, no forget to like, no forget to comment, and no forget to share. Thank you.